It's full steam ahead on the Everett Railroad. Now boarding at Hollidaysburg, Pennsylvania, the Everett Railroad offers an unforgettable experience on a train ride back through time. Pulled by a 1923 vintage steam locomotive, you'll experience what it felt like to ride a passenger train in the roaring 20s. With beautiful scenery and a history like no other, the Everett Railroad is a Pennsylvania treasure you won't want to miss. Book your tickets today at www.everettrailroad.com/ride.